Hi everybody. Today is June 7th, 2013, and before I start this video, I just want to remind everybody to subscribe, and I want to just thank all my new subscribers. It makes me happy to see you guys subscribing, and it motivates me to keep doing videos. Alright, so right here, the Alka-Seltzer, we have Food for Less. I'll start there. These are basically just free. They are on green tag for $2, and we have a $2 off coupon that came in last Sunday's paper. That's what it looks like on a receipt. Negative $2 manufacturer coupons brought it down to 64 cents. You see a balance there because I brought some Capri Suns, but yeah, it was just the tax I paid, which was 64 cents for the Capri Suns. So those are free. Now here you see a CoverGirl. This is Rite Aid. CoverGirl and Optic White. The CoverGirl was 75% off, ringing up at $2.19, I believe, and the Colgate was $3.49. We had a $2 off coupon. You got $1 back. Now how I did this, I walked in with $2. I walked in with $2 in up rewards. Okay. So let me show you. And I wanted to use my up reward to pay for the CoverGirl. So that's why I threw the Colgate in, which ended up kind of making a little money maker that way. Okay. So the Colgate is $3.49. I used a $2 off manufacturer coupon. The CoverGirl was $1.99. I used a $1 off manufacturer coupon, and I paid within $2 up reward. My subtotal was 48 cents after that. 92 cents with tax, and I received $1 back. So yeah, that was a pretty good deal if you have those at your store right now at your Rite Aid. This right here is Stater Brothers. If you guys have Stater Brothers, this is a pretty good deal. It's on the Always 20 count or higher. They have an in-store coupon for $2 off, and these are on sale right now for $2.97. And then we have a 50-cent off coupon that came in last Sunday's paper. So here it is on a receipt. Always Pads, 97 cents. I circled right there the $2 off with coupon, which is the in-store coupon. And then the negative 50 cents, which was sorry.